I am Professor Vinster, and welcome to Jurplastic World. Alrighty, Professor here. I thought I was going to finish this diorama of the what I call the Volkswagen Beetle in 3 videos, but obviously I'm going to have to go to 4. This is the end of the 3rd. I'm going to do a 4th one because of the reason of I haven't even got the piece of wood that's going to go around it, trim it up nice. I don't have the bear on here yet. I don't have the guy, the girl, the birds, everything that I want to put on here, and some other surprises with showing you what we've got so far. And there's going to be a tree coming around that right in front of there. That's how high that one tree is. So yeah, so it's coming along really good, and there's so much more to go on here. So I don't want to rush it. I mean, I'm working on it every day. I don't want to rush it, so that the very last part of the video I want to be very detailed and show you exactly what I've done. A project like this can go on forever because there's always something to add. They're so much fun. But there's other projects I want to get to show you, and fall's coming, and now that summer projects like cutting the grass are going to be out of the way, and getting trailers ready and stuff that I do outside. And the reason I got my hat on is because if I take it off, look how bright that is. That's my yeah, there you go. Yeah, baby. Anyway, that's what I want to do. And so bear with me, and please, you know what, subscribe and do some comments. We'd love to have your support. Next video. Okay, Professor here. Now I got this pencil here, just for the reason of I want to mark roughly where the feet go, so that I know roughly where I want to put this. Because this guy here's camera, I want to be aimed toward the bear. He's checking out the bear. So put some glue here. Maybe I should put some glue there. There we go. Oops. A little bit of a spill there. So roughly, why isn't that lining up? It's okay. We have ways to deal with that. I want him to. Very good. And my hand's not in the way. Which it is. Gonna go get my kicker. Be right back. Before I start spinning around, I want to make sure he's secured there. This guy here, put him on this pose. In there. I'll go here. I don't know. Do I need to glue her down? I guess I will. If it's wrong, I can always rip it back up. There. How's he doing? He's good. The other reason why that I use this glue, if I really want to change it, it's a really solid glue, but I could actually go like that real quick, bust it off so that I don't destroy the whole unit. That'll cure that. Now we'll go to, let's see, I'll move this around like this, and maybe we'll get a better angle here. See what kind of angle we have there. Now, how's she doing? Hasn't secured yet. It will. We'll get this bear ready to go. I just don't want them to fall when I take them up to put them on the shelf upstairs in the museum. You do. Take them a bit. Should be good in a bit. It's not the thin glue. The thin glue doesn't take long. It's a little bit thicker. Let's bring him around here. That right about there. Maybe I can. Now this one I've got to remember exactly where it goes. Put a little bit extra on here. Oops. See here. Come on. Okay, where's he going to stand exactly? Right there. I think right there. I think that's good. I hope. Oops. Surfboard. We'll see what happens here. This might just lean. Put that there. I'm going to secure it right there. Like that. There we go. I'm also going to do a clear coat. So that'll actually tie it in position. There. Right up there. Now, Got a couple of these birds here. I'm hoping we're going to be able to do something with a mess. Let's see, we can put them on the get set up. Raccoon's already put on. See, I just breathe those. If not, want to do gray coat. Great. Bigfoot. I don't know if you can see Bigfoot here. Bigfoot's gonna go. Let's see. That's too far. That's too far. Where do I have him go? Right here. Okay. So hopefully I can put enough on here and enough on his heel. That'll give him right there, right there. Oops. See how he does. And we'll let him sit. I can always add the Mod Podge to it to help. All right. So that should do. He's secure. He's getting there. He was just put on. Board's good. Let's turn it around here. I see Mrs. Vinster. Hi, Mrs. Vinster. How you doing? Okay, so everybody, oh, other than this one. Okay. That should do that. The lid back on that. Oops. I should have been glue because I've got to touch my touchscreen. Okay. Now, I have these bottles. I don't know if you can see that. Put that there. I have this whole container of pop bottles. And what I'm going to do is distribute them around the model, and then I'll actually glue them in. But this is the idea of what I'm going to do. There's some that are broken off that'll just be hanging around wherever. Some, of course, that one there is a good one. Put it on the front of the Volkswagen. And then I'm going to make, like, say, a pile of them. Let's see here. Like, for instance, I'll put a bunch of bottles, then I'll glue them in. Kind of like that deal there. Probably put Mod Podge over top of them in a liquid to hold them down. But I'll spin this around. Okay, spin that around. Let's see where we are here. Yeah, I want to put a few bottles here around the pop bottle or the coffee cans. Then I want to put a few here, a little bit of garbage. Then I'll put a little bit of a, I guess, stain them up a bit, but oops, I just dropped one. Okay. I'll put a couple sitting up if I can. Come on. There we go. Yeah, so I made a whole bunch of them for different dioramas and stuff. So anyway, we finished off. So we got the little fox, which we're going to put a little more detail on him. And the bottles, like I said, I'll rearrange them. I'll put a bit of moss on them. And then we have the girl. She's actually glued down, no problem. Everybody's glued down. And spin that around. Little fox is glued down right here. You can see him. The bear, he's glued down. And of course, let's bring it around so you can see Bigfoot. Bigfoot's cool. So I consider this kind of like a BC, British Columbia, kind of a model. because it's got the green and so it looks pretty good, like with a lot of moss. And we still got to put some grass. So there'll still be probably, I'm whistling here, probably still be one more video or so as I make it better. There's a lot of videos that continue on, and this one here I think will be one of those. Then I'll bring that around there with that. I think it's really cool. So yeah, I'm pretty sure there'll be another one. And then I'll actually show it and then maybe make some shorts up. So that's the end of this one for now. So this is number 4. And I guess expect for number 5. And there you go. Bring it around here again. Till the next video. And I just want to say, good night, Mr. Jim, wherever you are. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.